In zdaj gremo na individualne rezultate. Ladies first, se pravi najprej dekleta. 4. mesto Jačkovič Eva, 306 udarcev in slabši rezultat na zadnjih 36 luknjah. Tako da je 3. mesto z enakim rezultatom 306 Šiftar Neža. They had the same score, but she was better on the last 36. Second place, drugo mesto, Malek Lana, 304 udarce. In zmagovalka, the winner, Car Barbara, 297 udarcev. 297. Punished.
I would like to say thanks to both groups, Livada and Swimming Eagles Association, and my caddy.
Thank you.